The more proactive thing that you can do is, one, remediate and register. Make sure your phone numbers are registered with each carrier. Make sure they're registered. I always suggest freecallerregistry.com. That's available to everyone. I'll say it again, freecallerregistry.com. You can Google that, put it in, and you'll see it's a registry that basically allows you to say, I own these phone numbers. This is the information associated with them. And then that information is then fed to all the major carriers. It's one way of getting your phone number registered to the 3 major carriers. So I highly suggest that. And then the second one is, it's almost like a must at this point of monitoring your phone numbers and those data sources constantly. One thing I have not mentioned, which is extremely important about reputation flags, spam flags, is they are very, very dynamic. They are not static, which means if you get a reputation flag and you get it removed by whatever source is labeling it, it does not mean it's going to stay that way forever. You could get reflagged in a week. You could get reflagged in a month, 10 months down the road. And it, again, goes back to those call scoring systems and algorithms that are determining this. So staying on top of this and being, I always say, like a proactive approach, monitoring it and understanding before your consumers have to complain to you that your phone number is coming up as spam is ideal.